Hello everyone, this is Mr. Botros Asad, and today we will talk about Venn diagram and Carroll diagram. These diagrams is used for sorting or classifying data. So sorting or classifying means ordering or putting information in ordered way according to criteria. For example, if I'm sorting numbers according to odd and even, so odd and even is a criteria. If I'm sorting shapes according to color, so color is a criteria. Okay, let's start by Venn diagram. Venn diagram is like squares, rectangles, or circles. And in this shape, I will put numbers according to this word. So the red circle is for odd numbers. So in this circle, I will put odd numbers. And in the green circle, I will put numbers that are more than 40. What about this common area? This yellow area is in the green circle and in the same time is in the red circle. In this area, I will put numbers that are odd and in the same time more than 40. Let's make an example. This number is 66. Where I should put it? Is it odd? No, of course. Is it more than 40? Yes, I will put it here. What about 17? Is it more than 40? No. Is it odd? Yes, I will put it in the red circle. But what about 83? Is it odd? Yes, I can put it here. Is it more than 40? Yes, I can put it here. I can't put the number in two places at one time, but I can put it in the common area. So if I put 83 here, this means it is more than 40, and in the same time, it is an odd number. So putting a number in the common area means that this number is has the two criteria and I should put it in the common area. Let's complete. 34. Is it odd number? No. Is it more than 40? No. I will put it outside. 41. Odd number? Yes. More than 40? Yes. Put it in the common area. 16. Odd number? No. More than 40? No. I will put it outside. What about 52? Odd number? No. More than 40? Yes. So I will put it in the green circle. 23. More than 40? No. Odd number? Yes. I will put it in the red circle. And this is how I sort or classify numbers using Venn diagram. The other diagram that I have here is called Carroll diagram. Carroll diagram is a kind of a table that has criteria in the rows and criteria in the columns. So this is a Carrol diagram. And in our example here, this Carrol diagram has 4 criteria. The criteria in the rows, in this row, I should put numbers that are more than 30. And in this row, I should put numbers that are less than 30. And the criteria of the columns are even numbers should be in this column and odd number should be in this column. But how can I sort numbers using Carrol diagrams? Let's take an example. For example, 34. 34 is odd or even? It is even. So it should be put in this column. But where exactly in this column? Here? Yeah, it is even. But is it less than 30? No. So this position of 34 is wrong. Even if it is in the correct column because it is even, but it is not less than 30. So I should move it here. In this square, 34 in the correct place because it is even in the right column and it is more than 30 in the right row. So any number in this cell should be even and more than 30 in the same time. What about this cell or this square? This square, any number in this square should be odd number and at the same time less than 30. Like what? Like 15. 15 is odd number and in the same time less than 30. Let's complete classifying these numbers in Carrol diagrams. For example, 68. Even or odd? Of course, even in this column. But where? More than 30 or less than 30? It is more, so I will put it here. 27. Even or odd? Of course, it is odd. But where? Where is this column? More than 30? Of course, no. Less than 30, it will be put here. 97. Even or odd? Odd number. More than 30 or less than 30? Of course, more than 30, it will be put here. 8. Even or odd? It is even. Somewhere here. But is it more than 30? No, it is less than 30. What about 11? Odd or even? Of course, odd. More than 30 or less than 30? Less than 30. 53. Even or odd? Of course, odd number. More than 30 or less than 30? Of course, more than 30. So I classified these numbers in Carrol diagrams according to these criteria in the columns and this criteria in the rows. And each square has 2 criteria. For example, this square, its criteria is even number and less than 30. So any number here should be even and less than 30 in the same time. And we talked about Venn diagram. It is about 2 shapes that has a common area. Any number in this circle should be more than 40 and any number in this circle should be odd, but any number in the common area should be odd and more than 40 in the same time. That was all for today. Thank you very much.